guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be teaching you viewers how to dye and melt your 7x7 lace closure wig during quarantine. You know, we've all been quarantined worldwide. If you live in the States, you lot are no more going to work. You lot have been advised to stay at home, self-isolate. I reside in the UK and I'm doing the same. So whilst we're on quarantine, I know I haven't made video tutorials on how to make a wig or dye a wig for so long a time, and now that I have spare time on my hands, I decided to come on cover and show you guys the new Schwarzkopf hair dye, the new packaging. And apparently the reviews that I read on this new packaging, there was a lot of 5 stars, so meaning they have improved. In today's video, it is a tutorial, so let's go straight to the next step. I will be teaching you viewers basically how to dye the hair. As you can see, I'm in my bathroom and I am applying the hair dye directly onto the hair. And before I do so, I like to make my hair bundles damp. So when your hair bundles are damp, viewers, this is a trick. It makes it easier for the dye to penetrate onto your bundles, and the dye will be well saturated on the hair. So when you wash it, your hair is dyed jet black without missing any spots. So if you are interested in this video tutorial, stay tuned and watch how I dye this hair into jet black. And I will see you viewers pretty soon. Once the wig is constructed and once the hairline has been plucked, I will teach you viewers how I melt it onto my scalp and show you my new look. So stay tuned. guys, so this is the end result of my 7x7 closure wig, and these are the beautiful bundles you saw me dyeing. I had to straighten this hair just to see the luster. The luster is a medium to low luster. It's not too much on the silky side and it's not too much on the non-silky side. It's in between, so it's medium to low luster. This is a low Asian wavy hair texture, guys. I have straightened this hair bone straight. I'll be doing another video to show you viewers how I basically curl it or wave it up and how the waves last in this hair, how long the waves will last as well. So guys, get ready for me. So this hair, as I already said, is low Asian wavy hair texture made into a wig, 7x7 closure. As you can see, I'm not a baby hair person. I like my hair looking as natural as possible. This is what we have today. Can you see the shine on this hair, guys? This hair is beautiful, beautiful hair texture, and I would suggest you viewers can check it out from www.therawvirginhairboutique.com using my coupon code, which is my name Atibel20, for 20% off your entire purchase. So if you viewers are interested, and hope you viewers did enjoy this video tutorial of how I dyed my hair into jet black using the latest or the new Schwarzkopf hair dye, also how I make my wig, how I straighten the hair, and how beautiful this hair is. Raw hair is a good investment, so if you guys invest in raw hair, just know you're not wasting your money. You're actually gonna achieve something that will last for a very, very long time. I'll see you viewers in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye.